Magic Rock, one of the UK's most exciting new craft breweries and voted the second best new brewery in the world. In 2015, the company expanded its operation into new state-of-the-art premises in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. Stuart Ross, head brewer, recognised the importance of installing a wastewater treatment plant at the outset of the new build, and contracted SmartStorm to build a new pumping station, pH balancing system, and install wastewater monitoring equipment. In addition, SmartStorm were contracted to carry out all groundworks for the treatment plant and install a new water main to the brewery. Magic Rock have benefited significantly from our plant installed between April and July in 2015, helped by our state-of-the-art instrumentation. Due to Magic Rock's foresight in making the treatment plant a main priority, it made the logistics of installing and operating the plant straightforward. SmartStorm installed its revolutionary universal smart instrument, which, as a single instrument, measures flow and pH and controls the pH dosing pumps, as well as logging all parameters. Coupled with a Hydrocell 2-bottle automated sampler, pH balancing tank and underground pumping station, this system will enable Magic Rock Brewery to comply with its water company consents and provide accurate flow measurement for billing purposes.